this is in split time. And your left hand is going to start in the front and your right hand will start in the back if you're going to start with the anti-spin. So what you'll do is you'll go down and across with the left hand and up and across with the right hand so that you'll end up like this. Nice. And then you'll do the in spin. So the right hand will go up, the left hand will go down, and you'll return back to where you started. So anti-spin, left across the bottom, right across the top. And then in spin, left across the bottom, right across the top. Anti-spin, left across the bottom, right across the top. In spin, left, bottom, right, top. Anti-spin, left, bottom, right, top. In spin, left, bottom, right, top. Anti, left, bottom, right, top. In, left, bottom, right, top. Anti, left, bottom, right, top. In, left, bottom, right, top. Anti, left, bottom, right, top. In, left, bottom, right, top. Okay, now let's try and just do a full cycle where you do the anti and then the in spin. 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 So we started it in the position for the anti-spin. Let's start it in the position for the in-spin here. And the left, it's the same thing. You're just starting in the other place halfway through the pattern, and you're making that the beginning of the pattern. So we do in-spin, then anti-spin. In-spin, then anti-spin. In-spin, then anti-spin. In, spin, anti-spin, 3, 4, in, spin, anti-spin, 5, 6, 7, go, in, spin, anti-spin, 5, 6, 7, go, in, spin, anti-spin, 5, 6, 7, go, in, spin, anti, 5, 6, 7, go, in, then anti, 7, go, in, then anti, 7, go, and in, then anti, 7, go, and bring your arms down.